I'm Cathy.
And I'm Madeleine.
And this is our book, Future Vision, Stories of Our Brilliant Tomorrow. I did the words.
And I did the pictures.
And it's a really optimistic, science-based book about how the future could be. And we wrote it as a deliberate antidote to all the endless doom and gloom that's out there in how we think about the future.
In the future, I hope that nature will be much greener and there will be less plastic in the oceans, which will make it much safer for animals to live in.
In the future, I'd like my own robot to help me do homework and help my parents clean the house.
It's all in here.